Alright, what we have here is a geforce GTS 250. As you can see, I've already pre-installed the heat sinks here, here, and here. This kit does not have sufficient stuff for the 250 to make good installations on every single heat sink. This had an original sink that looked like this. And it also had screws to tie it down. It was too tall to use with the fan. There were some compatibility issues with this Arctic Pro twin turbo, I should say. Accelero twin turbo Pro from Arctic Cooling. I had to modify this plate with the tin snips. It was double wide, and I cut along the ribbed version all the way through here, and then also cut this piece here off because the ridge that it had on the top would actually bump against this fan right up in here and would keep it from actually aligning with these screw holes. So for all of you who have a GTS 250, you will need to modify your bracket if it was double wide. I should be able to put this plate back on. Okay, plate is back on. In case you are unaware, you can take the plate off by removing these screws here. Just use the pliers and twist it off of there. And you can cut that and you put it back on. There's a little screw right there by your HDMI. Now we can go ahead and put on the thermal compound. As we can see, the thermal compound is on. Next thing we can do is put on the heat sink. This plate can be adjusted according to your width. Mine is the longer one, so I had to have it positioned towards the center. Okay. Have the fan installed up tight against the GPU. As you can see right here, there is very little space, which is why this was running into the fan and needed to be cut. You need to have the heatsink installed in the right spot so that these cooling pipes can come off in between. Make sure that there's space. And you should be set to install it. As you can see, this fan takes up a fair amount of space. You may want to pay attention to what motherboard you have. I can't use my top PCI slot because the fan comes down too far in order to use the SATA cables that I have. Some motherboards have them down on the lower part, on the edge where you can use 90 degree on it and still be able to use it. I had to adjust mine from the top PCI down to the bottom PCIe. And that's pretty much installed. Just hook up a few different power cords.